Our dog Teddy was a very active dog. When he turned 6 years old, he had a spinal stroke. When playing around with his brothers, he had an injury. Suddenly he couldn't walk, so we took him to the vet where they told us that a blockage had occurred in a blood vessel supplying the spinal cord. Teddy became incontinent right away and he couldn't even stand up. He had to wear diapers all the time and had to be carried with a swing for his back legs. Immediately, we did acupuncture, ultrasound therapy, and swimming therapy along with vitamin B12. Swimming was definitely a game changer. He slowly regained strength and mobility of his right back leg. The left back leg took longer since spinal stroke usually affects one side more than the other. Today, after 9 months of swim therapy, he stands up and walks around almost normally. Don't give up.